Need to remove someone from your Life360 Circle? Here's exactly how to do it. First, open Life360 app and tap on Settings. Now select your circle, then go to Circle Members. Tap the member's name you want to remove. Then choose Remove from Circle. Confirm your decision and they'll no longer appear on your map or get any updates from your circle. Remember, only admins can remove someone. If you don't see the option, ask the circle admin to do it. If they are still showing after removal, ask them to log out and back in. It refreshes the circle. Who are you removing today? Let me know in the comments if you want. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.